Welcome to Havana, Cuba. Today, we're taking a walk through the vibrant streets of this historic city. From colorful colonial buildings to lively local culture, Havana is a place that feels alive in every corner. Let's explore. As we begin, you'll immediately notice how alive these streets feel. There's the sound of Cuban music floating through the air, the buzz of vintage cars passing by, and people talking and laughing. The streets of Havana are not just a place to walk, they're a sensory experience. Look around you. Havana is like an open-air museum of architecture. You can see everything here, from Spanish colonial buildings with wrought iron balconies to colorful facades that reflect the city's energy. Each building has its own story, and some date back to the 16th and 17th centuries. Despite the wear and tear, the charm is undeniable. As we walk further, you'll see locals sitting outside their homes enjoying the day. Children are playing in the streets, vendors are selling fresh fruit and snacks, and you can feel the warm and welcoming spirit of the people. Life here is simple but so full of character. As we continue, keep an eye out for the vibrant street art. The walls of Havana are alive with murals depicting Cuban history, culture, and legends like Che Guevara. The art gives the city a creative and modern touch. The streets themselves feel like works of art, lined with a mix of bright colors and detailed patterns. The cracks and peeling paint only add to the authenticity, giving you a sense of history without needing any explanation. The sunlight dances off the pastel walls, casting soft shadows that make the streets even more beautiful. What makes walking here so special is the rhythm of daily life that surrounds you. From people carrying groceries and riding bicycles to friends sitting together and sharing a laugh, Havana has a way of making even the simplest moments feel extraordinary. As we continue walking, you'll notice the unique mix of old and new that defines the city. On one side of the street, you might see a restored building with fresh paint, and on the other, a weathered structure full of character. It's this balance that makes Havana so dynamic and alive. Havana is also a city of creativity. You'll see it in the murals and street art that decorate walls and alleys. These vibrant pieces tell stories of culture, identity, and resilience. They bring a fresh and modern energy to the city, blending beautifully with its timeless appeal. The people of Havana are what truly make this city come alive. Everywhere you look, there are warm smiles, friendly conversations, and a sense of community that's impossible to ignore. There's a relaxed pace here that lets you slow down, enjoy the moment, and truly connect with the life around you. Walking through Havana is like stepping into a living, breathing work of art. Every step reveals something new, a detail you might have missed before, a sound you didn't notice, or a fleeting interaction that leaves a lasting impression. It's not just about the sights, it's about the feeling of being here, surrounded by so much energy and soul. Thank you for joining me on this walk through Havana's streets. I hope you felt a little of the magic this city has to offer. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more adventures. Until next time, hasta luego.
Pesará mi alma para enviarle en una carta. Cuánto pesará la tuya que te aplaste en el sofá. Con los versos más bonitos de mis tangos favoritos, digo adiós a Buenos Aires a camino de Trindad. Y este corazón gitano